Hi, this is Ross from VSM. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at network connectivity and the different views that we show of that. The first one I have on my screen here is the dashboard. So we have a couple of new dashlets in here, network connectivity and network connectivity summary. Both give you different views. So the summary obviously is the table view I have over here on the left-hand side. It shows you in a single pane anything you've set up to ping test inside VSM. And what the performance is like in terms of response to that ping. So worst time in milliseconds, the average time, and also packet loss. If we wanted to keep an eye on a particular interface, you can run the network connectivity dashlet that gives you the last few minutes of performance. So you can see there I've got the last 4 minutes up for these particular targets. So we've got a communication manager version 4 in our lab, session manager. We've got a test destination there we're calling AZ test because that throws up some interesting problems for us, so it's good for a demo, and our IPDECT ping system. So the graphs over the last 4 or 5 minutes, they'll show the average response time to the ping, and they'll also show packet loss expressed as a percentage there, so it's a good example. From a historic point of view, in Availability Manager, we've created this new report. This one I've prepared earlier. Network connectivity, we've chosen the AZ test example because, as I said before, that's deliberately performing poorly. I ran it for the last week, and you can see during that week, over that time period, the minimum and maximum ping time, there's quite a variation in that. And also across the week, you can see there's varying degrees of packet loss built in here. Including this outage over here that happened on the 7th, where we're getting 100% packet loss from our ping tests. So that pretty much puts you in the picture as far as network connectivity goes. If you're using something like Ping Plotter, there's a good replacement for that. It has a very similar role. And of course, network connectivity is pretty fundamental to our solutions working properly, and a historic view of what's going on from that perspective is pretty useful. So thanks for your time, and if you have any suggestions or ideas, comments, please keep them coming through. VSM is largely built on feedback from you guys, and we use that for the betterment of mankind. Thanks for your time. Cheers.